How much adjustment you got in the back there?
A lot.
Good. Where's your brake pedal?
Should be right over here.
Brake pedal. The only one you got, drag on the ground.
Should be on that side. That's where it was last.
Where's your foot peg at?
Up front.
You want the pegs in the front or in the back?
I want them centered.
Well, that was not centered. That was an inch behind this one. Who put that one on?
I did. Let's see how big my foot is on it.
What do you want there? You may move it somewhere else. You got a big foot?
Yeah.
I'm going to go back. It's not centered.
Well,
Back. See?
yeah, that'll work. Whatever. We can change it if I want.
You cross the bike. One. The shifter dictates where it's going to be because its foot's real big, the pedal's here. So if you're close to it, you can't get your foot in there, so you have to move the peg way back. So you got a long foot. So see right back here, I'm all the way back against the back here.
Oh, okay.
So he said to put it in the center, which is here. Forward would be over here, which kind of hits, so it doesn't work. So you go all the way to the back, there, and that lines up with the back spot over there.
How are we doing on brake movement?
I haven't got that far yet.
Okay, lines up.
I was working this part. Gotta get foot peg on first. I need a quarter drive ratchet with a 7/16 socket, or I need a wrench. Here's a wrench. I got a wrench. That'll work too. You gotta get the foot peg on first before you do the brake lever. Okay, that's tight. Good and tight. Okay, then I got the brake lever on. Okay, we need to adjust the stop over here. Not that stop. Okay, see how low he's got this pedal here?
Yep.
There's a stop way back here. So
Okay.
Where's that light at? Light's right there.
Okay.
The stop here, you adjust this stop here, and that adjusts where your pedal sits here. So this either needs to come up to let our pedal come up, or it needs to go this way so I can go up another notch. So, how much adjustment in back you got? You got a lot of adjustment back there?
Oh yeah, I got tons.
Okay, let's unadjust that quite a bit. Because usually this bolt sticks out like an inch almost here. He's got it way up in the air right now.
Get off it.
Hold it there, let me move up a notch here. There's one spline. Okay, let go. Okay, so now we gotta go adjust this here. Undo the lock. I'm gonna screw this thing down a little bit. Actually, why is that not going up further? What's keeping it from going down further? Probably your brake switch.
You want me to loosen this up?
Yeah, we're all right. Okay, I gotta get this spring up here. Okay, why don't you get on the other side of me?
Okay.
Where's my long screwdriver? Not long.
Well, that's
Okay, to get this up here, you slide the brake lever off slightly. You pull this up like this, you screwdriver and put it right up on here. Like this. Have to rotate this around so it fits a little better. See, like that spot. That's how you put those on. Where's the brake? The hammer at? And you take the rod over there, hold that, and beat it here. And you get the bolt up in the hole now. You want to make sure it does not bottom up in here.
Right.
And these you have a lock washer right here, and it's a regular nut, not a lock nut. I need a lock washer, 5/16. Should be a whole bunch of them in your bucket.
Oh, yeah.
Your box, wherever it went to.
This one?
That would be the one. So put that in there. Slip this in there. Turn the bolt to get the nut to start. Well, that was working for a minute. There you go. Got the right thread. Okay, I need a 1/2 inch. Right here. I need open inch. Open inch, 1/2 inch.
Right here.
There we go. Got it, Gino.
Brand new fucking motor, pretty much. 0 miles.
That's about the right torque, right? Steel hammer anywhere? There it is. Put that in a little bit. Guess that's where it wants to sit. You see how it comes up and hits that?
Yep.
Now, we can adjust this down. See, it's hitting there, and it's just trying to hit the foot peg here. See? If you drop it, it comes up and hits it, but we're close. Let's get a little more. It's close enough. Okay, and you lock this thing back down. Try to keep that bracket from moving. Okay, the brake switch might work or might not work, I'm not sure.
Get it?
Yep.
Perfect.
Works.
Still working. That switch doesn't belong there, but it does work. Okay, so that's adjusted. Okay, now it's just a matter of we have to spin the bike to see how much drag you on the wheel. You can't do that much, so you should have a little bit of free play in there. Put your finger, just push back with your hand. Just push the lever with your hand. Do you feel where it hits the drum?
Yeah, it's already hitting.
Okay, take about 1/2 of that out. Tighten up about 1/2 that. Push the lever in with your hand. Push it in.
Oh, push it in.
The lever.
It's in. Alright.
Yeah, but why is the rod not staying out? There you go. That's good, right there. Centered up in there. That feels pretty high. That feels good. So you got about 1 inch of downward movement here
Okay.
before it engages.
Cool.
So we'll start there, and then we got to see if it's centered, and if it brake shoes are centered all in the back. That's play in the back to do that. Okay, we still haven't got the pin. We need what? You need the pin up here, you said?
Yeah, I need the pin up there, and then I need a cable, throttle cable.
Okay.
And we'll throw the jack up on there and bring it down.
Yeah. Why don't you go ahead and get it jacked up? Get all these tools put away.
Okay.
We'll be back.
Okay.
I need the battery out there. Okay, we're trying to figure out the clunky noise in the sprocket that was back here, the chain. So when you look in the back here, you can see how the chain is making an S. So the sprocket, this drum is too far to the left. So the chain is making it, needs to be over here about 1/4 inch. I don't know if you can see it with the camera, but
Actually, I can almost see it.
so, yeah, that's, so as you turn the chain, the damn teeth of the chain are riding up on the side of the chain instead of between the links. It's riding up on the side of it and chunking every now and then. Now we can compensate slightly by cocking the wheel this way, but that's going to make the bike want to fall to the left. So the only way you can fix that is you have to bend this frame rail over.
Okay.
So it has to be bent this way, and then come over here and bend this one this way to keep the width the same. So it has to be bent. Kind of like we had to do on that knucklehead. It's all fucked up. Where'd you get this frame from?
Oh, the hardtail?
Yeah.
Chop Colt about 3 years ago.
Oh, good job. It's made perfect. There's
It's
that,
a Santee one.
there's that thing that's moving. So unless your wheel's really going to the left. Let's see, where's your alignment of where's your front wheel at? Right now you can't tell because the bike's way off the whack. Gino, go grab my tape measure. It's by the radio on the left. See that?
Yep.
Measure the front wheel to the edge here. Come off the rim. About 8 inches.
8.5.
Yeah. How wide that rim? Rim pretty narrow?
Yeah, it's pretty narrow.
Okay, so come off like about right here.
About 9.
You know, about 8.5 now?
No, I'm coming. About 3/4 more. About an 1/8 inch. Right there.
You good?
Yeah.
Okay. You sight down the wheels and see if they look like they're going straight or you're to the left a little bit. So if you look at the wheel from the back side, you can see it's kind of pointing like this.
So the wheel itself is kind of cocked in there.
Yeah, and your chain's tight, so we don't want to move this back, we want to move that one forward. So where's that crescent which we had out? And we're going to need a half
Should be
inch
over
wrench.
there.
That's a smaller one, it's a 12 incher.
Half-inch wrench.
Here it is. Need a half inch wrench. And the plastic hammer's right here.
And break it loose.
9/16.
Yeah, break it free.
Cool.
Half-inch. Beachy way.
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, push down on the chain.
Whoa.
Push hard on it.
Okay.
Okay. That line, that shoves the axle forward on this side.
That's what I'm getting at.
Okay, where we you look down the wheel.
A little better.
So still pretty far off.
Like belts, huh?
That didn't do much. It's still way the hell off. Still way off.
When you were adjusting the chain, you only adjusted this side.
Mhm.
You didn't mess with that side.
Oh, I messed with that side a little.
Oh, you did?
Yeah. Not too much though.
Okay, now we get some proper slop in here like we're supposed to have now.
Now it's gonna feel a lot better. Yep. It's binding up a little.
Probably the brake drum now. Okay, chains there. Where's your wheel at? Close there. Still a little bit off, I think. And if you look at the chain's still got a pretty good bow to it. The S is now gone, but now it's making a bow, an even curve like this. So it goes down. So who lined this last time?
I just threw it on because that's a new wheel to the bike.
Yeah. It still looks like it's got a big bow in it. And now the offset looks good. Chain's not dragging around like it was. Okay, so if you look down the side of that tire, got about a 1/2 inch tire showing. Okay, I'm looking pretty close now. We're pretty close, just a little bit more maybe. So now we're going to have to tighten this side up just a little bit. Because you're free flow here. And that's good.
Straighten on the sprocket now better.
It's not making that noise anymore.
Nope.
And the chain still looks like it's making a curve a little bit, but it's a lot closer than it was. Give me the camera over here. Lights off. So now we got chain line here now. See, it looks like it bows to the left just a little bit. You can look on the bottom and look on the top, whichever way you want to look. What I'm looking at when I was looking down the sidewall, I look at the front tire way down there. You come around and look at where you can see it, then you look up and see how much rim you can see. Then you come over here and do the same thing. On this side, when it looks flat, then you look up and see how much rim you can see. You can see about a 1/2 inch of this rim up here on both sides, way up here. So that means the tire is getting fairly square in the frame. So the other way is you do some measurements between up in here and stuff, but the frame rails aren't always straight, so can't always go by that. But at least now it's not chunking.
Nope.
So that's a lot better. Brake's not dragging too bad either, so that's pretty good. Here. The brake pedal's still up.
Guess so.
We got a little bit looser because we moved this thing forward slightly. Why don't you give me about 2 more flaps up on that? Keep going. Okay, hold on. Get the flat spot.
Yeah.
You gotta put it darn. That's a full turn. You gotta go in half turn increments. This nut here is worthless. I don't know why it's even on the bike. The curve is what keeps it on. That's pretty good there. That'll wear itself in.
Cool.
Not making as much noise as it was. Still got a little chunk in here up there.
Yeah.
Still riding. Unless that chain got a lot loose all of a sudden.
Mm-hmm.
What the hell happened? That's where it should be, but most people don't like them that tight and that loose. That's where I run my bike and move it there. I like the loose. That or more. Alright, you need to get some chain lube on that chain. It's pretty dry.
Okay.
Alright, so lock down the. This is locked down.
Where's chain lube?
Lock this nut here down a little bit. Is that half-inch?
I got it.
I'm gonna go get mine from the car.
Okay.